G'day viewers, here I am at the panorama lookout, and I think it's more just a description, the name of this lookout, more than anything else, but there is a sign saying that. But this is the camp for tonight. I'm 2.5 k's from Python Pools, which will be tomorrow's checkout, and but let me show you this view. As you can see, there's the ute caravan, and behind is the view to die for. Now it's on widescreen at the moment. Let me try and zoom it in to get a little bit better. Now if I walk up past here, past the ute, this is the scenery that I'm looking at, and as per usual with the phone cameras, they just don't catch it. This looks on the phone like it is a mile away. Let me try and zoom it in. So I can try to mimic what it looks like on the camera versus what it looks like in real life, because the Pilbara once again never disappoints, never fails to impress. Absolutely spectacular campsite here, breathtaking views, just so good. It's just so good. Let me turn it around and see what I can do. Well, there's your standard view there. Now if I zoom it in, it's about there. It's either 5, I haven't put my reading glasses on, I might be able to see. It's 3.5 times. That's about 4 times view, zoom, and that's sort of what I see with in real life versus what I can try and get to show on the camera. Great big flat expanse, and then there's these mountains, there's remnants of mountains because they used to be mountains millions of years ago. It's just popping up. But anyway, that's the view. Here we are, outback West Australia, Pilbara, about 100 k's inland from Karratha, about 100 k's inland from Karratha. Well, g'day viewers. Finally made it to Python's Pool. Yesterday we had a shitload of rain. Today's overcast and pretty cool, so I'm not going for a swim, but I thought I'd give you a bit of a gander of what's here. I'll probably have to look at it on widescreen view, so let me have a fiddle around with the camera, see what I can do. This is standard view. This is widescreen to try and get a little bit more of the scenery and everything in here. Absolutely beautiful spot. It's probably only about 22, 21 degrees at the moment, and probably not going to get much warmer. So won't be going for a swim, and absolutely beautiful spot, but I'll leave you with that. G'day viewers, now that I'm down the river, about 20 metres from the caravan, the river actually goes way down there, which you can't see because of the reeds, and way up there, which I'll try to walk down a bit closer, so I don't trip over and break my neck. Alright, way down there sort of thing. I'll stick the phone out and try and show you how far it is way down there, through there. This is my first day that I've actually had it to myself, and yeah, I've been here probably about 4 days, and there's always been someone around. People have been paddling around in kayaks and swimming and fishing, and really nice spot out here, about 20 k's south of Karratha, a place you wouldn't expect to find a nice billabong like this. Well, that brings me to the end of the video. I shall leave you with a overview of the campsite.